Hi everyone. Last year I talked to a psychologist that I discovered the MBTI and the personality type, and that it really helped me to understand a lot of things. He answered me, "You like put people in box?" I answered, "Not at all, I hate do that." At the end of the last three sessions, I told him, "I think the only person who can help me is myself." And I also told him, "We are all different. Once we understand that, we stop to judge and criticize others. We stop comparing ourselves to others. We are better with ourselves and with others and more happy." He answered me, "It's interesting what you say." For me, the typology, the psychology, the personality type, it's not to put people in box. They are tools, the key that help us to know, understand and accept ourselves and the other as we are. They allow us to discover our strengths and weaknesses, to accept them and reveal our potential. It makes us realize that we are all different or similar and to accept it. They help us to get closer to who and what we really are, to be more authentic, more aware, conscious, more unique, to be more real and true to ourselves. This theory answers to the why the world and people are as they are, how they function. Carl Jung warns that it's pretty sterile to label people and squeeze them into categories. In his book Modern Man in Search of a Soul. If someone tells you that you put people in box, it's not that you put people in box, it's just his perception. Most of people think this box or label are fixed and structured. Carl Jung told him himself, the theory, the typology, is not fixed. It can be modified in the future, is falsifiable. We born with a personality type and we can't change it. We can't change our nature or functioning. We can't change what function we prefer and not prefer. We can't really change what makes us happy and stress us. But with the time, with experience, we can improve ourselves and our function. Our mind is very flexible. We are all more or less flexible. With the time, we all live different or similar experience. These experiences forge, sculpt, shape, create who we are. We constantly change with the time. It's like we are born with a default program, a certain operating system, a personality type or cognitive function, the core of who we are, and with the time we constantly receive, process, send and update information. With this information, this experience, through the time, we learn and improve, we update ourselves at different times. We are a different version of ourselves, an improved version of the default program. We function like a computer, it's the same idea. For the MBTI, for example, there are 16 personality types by default. In the theory, a personality type is a stereotype, an idealization, a perfect representation, a picture which is flexible, a pattern, it's abstract, invisible, and imagination. In practical, in the reality, this stereotype doesn't exist concretely. This perfection or perfect representation doesn't exist physically. We are all more or less detached from the stereotype. We are all on a spectrum. certain persons are close to the stereotype of their personality type, and certain others are further away from their personality type. We are all different variations of a personality type. We are all somewhere in a spectrum of a personality type. In the same way, we could say the study of psychological type by Carl Jung was the first tool, first version, and with the time this first flexible tool has been taken over and a little modified, improved. And other model tools have been constructed, fashioned from this base of psychological type and from the base MBTI. The typology tool, like the MBTI, was surely first used to guide the people to find a job corresponding to them, and now we can use many versions of typology and apply this tool knowledge everywhere in life in general. At work, at home, outside, help to be more kind, better and happy with ourselves and others, improve communication and relation, improve our work, help with parenting, to improve and understand ourselves and others, to avoid stress and depression, manage our energy, to understand where does come from our trauma, trouble and issues, strength, weakness, etc. A lot of things. Typology is flexible, theory can be taken up and improved. Personality types are flexible and not a strict box, they are spectrum. That's also why in certain models we have personality type and subtype. So thanks for watching and have a good one.